Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my proposal with the title Musyarakah Contract for Infrastructure Contractor Financing in Indonesian Syariah Banking Industry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the outline. So far, Indonesian Islamic banking that consists of three types of entity has only a market share at the level of 6% for the years. And so far the contract that has been used, the biggest one is Murabahah and followed with Musyarakah and other contract. And the customer is divided by two types, which is corporate and consumer banking. And corporate banking that consists more than 50% are divided into some other business segment. This study will propose in a construction business segment. And construction business segment, so far with the market share at around 8% in total financing industry, including conventional banking in Indonesia. The construction here refer to construction for road national, and contractor do not own the project, do not own the land, and contractor also will not operate the road. The road will be used by public, then contractor are only the company who is their business to build up the property. This means the road is the property of their working for. And then research problem, then my proposal with the statement low shares of Islamic banking in Indonesia, in particular, low share of financing the construction business segment by Islamic banks. And then the research objective number one is to review, to analyze and synthesize the existing literature review on Islamic financing for contractor, and secondly, to investigate the current practices and approaches of Islamic banks in financing the contractor, and number three, to determine the most appropriate contract for contractor, and then the last one, to discover the appropriateness of musyarakah. And the question continue from this objective. And scope of the study will be in 6 Syariah bank or Islamic bank that are fulfill the requirement to become a bank devisa or bank that has capacity to deal with foreign currency transaction. This bank has already about 50% of the asset of total Islamic bank in Indonesia. And the construction is the company that only work for constructing the property. The significance of the study for Islamic banker is to propose the trace on opportunity for contractor to have solution on financial needs, and for academic to find out the gap. The gap here is the knowledge gap. According to Gundes, the construction research are still not as a fundamental research theme and prospect in Islamic banking, according to IDB in 2016, is still almost 90%, since only 16% real estate and construction financing. And then since also the construction infrastructure is the key for development of a country. The plan for Indonesian road has already been defined by the government for next 4 years, and then the literature review for Musyarakah. Yeah, Musyarakah is working together or partnership between companies to get the same profit and to bear the same risk. And the financial work for contractors like procurement are getting the contractor are by tender, and the contractor also almost familiar working with subcontractor and also joint operation. And in construction business, they are financing such as PV or PPP. So there is a similarity between Musyarakah and construction. And reviewing the SLR, doing the SLR, the later review that I made the analysis, there is a gap of knowledge in research for contractor financing issue or solution by using Islamic financing. The themes so far are about Musyarakah, since the proposal is for Musyarakah, and also the Indonesian specific. And the Islamic project finance and also the infrastructure project structure by using Islamic finance and also istisna and also contractor issue are some of the research term when I using a word Islamic finance contractor. And then the research methodology. Here's the ontology, epistemology, and method is qualitative approach, since the purpose of the study is to describe or to understand and interpreting the present activity and to propose a new model. And the study will be in a group of Islamic banking in Indonesia. And I have performed the pilot study with using this interview protocol. Interview pilot test with one of the object and answering question number 1 and number 2. Financing to customer in Bank Muamalat is based on the experience of Bank Muamalat in financing the customer. And the construction, since the previous experience is not much, so the construction business is not become a focus on the target of financing. So the construction business is defined as a general segment of customer. And then by proposing the Musyarakah for construction, the opinion, the construction risk at the beginning of financing, if using Musyarakah financing. And continue, the bank has no income at the beginning. And then The big risk is when the construction owned by a project is stalled or stopped. That is the big issue or the white issue. And this is the presentation from me. Okay, thank you very much.